Okay, this is the hotel INNSiDE by Meliá Costablanca hotel in Benidorm. We're right at the end of the corridor, as you've seen, on the 6th floor, room 629. You get this little, just while I'm out here, a little block here that you can either put green or red, whether you want them to come into your room, and apparently they'll do it every day. So we've just arrived. Key card in. Oops, sorry. We'll start in the bathroom, which is in here. First impressions, it's nice sink, big mirror, a couple of robes and slippers, big walk-in shower in here with products, etc. But then when we were unpacking, I think it is a little bit limited in space. There's not really anywhere to put anything, which is a shame, but I think it's adequate. We're only here for 5 days. Come through, big mirror. It's all very clean. You can tell it's been cleaned recently. 2 single beds put together, but they look nice and firm. They look comfy. We'll see how we get on with those. Big telly. Table and chairs there. One criticism, there's nowhere to put your suitcases. So we've got them there. There is a suitcase rack over there, but that just looked ugly. Not that that doesn't look ugly, but there isn't, you can't put them under the bed or anywhere. There's no space. Next to the bed, again, storage. Shame they're not drawers. The telephone, retro and funky, but takes up a lot of room. You've got a plug this side. The other side, there's no plug, but they're USBs, which I suppose is fine. Here's the wardrobe. Again, odd, there's only one door on it, which is fine, but obviously you can't cover up both sides, so you've got 2.5 drawers. So that's only a little drawer at the bottom that side. A little bit hanging space, a little bit of space at the top, storage. This side, you've got coffee machine and coffee and mugs, which is great. We've brought our own kettle for our tea. In here, you've got the safe, which looks very modern. It says Bluetooth, which I'm not quite sure what all Bluetooth to it. Bit of storage there. You've got a mini bar down here, which is complimentary in this room. This is a premier sea view room, front sea view. So we've got the sea view and it's right at the front of the hotel, which is nice. The vodka wasn't complimentary, but there's a couple of beers. Apparently they change it every day. A couple of beers, some more apple juices and some waters. So that is that. Then this is what we chose this room for, really. We've got the nice big balcony. Very modern, very clean. Looks like it's been done up, this hotel, recently, which I think it was taken over. Nice table and chairs. Lovely view over the Levante Beach. So we're about 10-minute walk to the old town that way. Up there. And then you've got the sort of nice wide stretch of the beach, and then that's Levante Beach. Yeah, that way up to the more lively area. It's the first time in Benidorm, so we haven't ventured anywhere yet. We're still holding out reservations of whether it's for us, but so far the view is lovely. It'll be lovely sat out here in the morning with our cup of tea. So yeah, I'm pleased with it so far. So a little bit lacking, but we're only here for 5 days. Lacking in storage, but it was very nice downstairs. It all seems clean. It all seems like it will do.